hey, let me show you the best features of the Huawei Watch Fit 3. And first I will focus on the features that we can find on our watch, and then I'm gonna show you a few hidden options that we can only find on the Huawei Health application. So first of all, when you click here, you will access this apps menu, but I would like to show you that you can actually change the grid of these apps. So in my case, it's actually more visible with this kind of the layout. So you have to go for the watch face and the home, and here we can get the list instead of this grid. And now it's more visible for me. So first of all, we can find a lot of different workouts on this device. When you go here, and when you open it for the first time, you have to actually accept everything. There we go. And now you can find a lot of workouts, but at the top you can actually find like 10 of them. So to go inside and open more modes, click on the custom, tap on the plus, and here we can find all of this different list of the workouts. Take a look how many workouts are here, even like esport, or for example the softball, like almost everything, the water sports. And now it comes actually another feature of this watch. So right here we can find the water resistant 5 ATM, and it actually allows us to swim with this device, to take a shower with this device, so that's really cool. Now we can also find some winter workouts, extreme workouts, even the auto racing. Next, let me show you another thing. Right here we can find for sure the heart rate. So it's like in almost every device right now. But when you scroll, you can find the resting average heart rate from the last 7 days. Next, we can for sure find the blood oxygen level. We can measure this by putting our device on the wrist. We can also measure our sleep by enable this function. So it will actually automatically measure your sleep when you put this device on your wrist. We can also check the stress level. There we go. And under this, you've got the stress level information. Next, we got the call log, and we can actually answer the phone calls, and we can speak through this device, because right here we can find the microphone, and right here we can find the speaker. Also, we can add the favorite contacts from your phone, put them here, and you can actually make the phone calls through this watch. You can also input music right here in this device. Yes, you can just upload music straight on your device, and you can simply listen to the music by using this speaker, but also you can simply connect the Bluetooth headphones to this device. So there's another option that we can find right here in the settings. We can connect the Bluetooth headphones or earbuds into this device and listen to the music. Right here we can also find the NFC, so it means that we can pay with this device. And right here we've got also the always on display. Take a look. It's not right here. It was actually in the custom cards, I guess. Not here. Wait a minute. It was in the watch face and the home, yeah. And here we can find the always on display. So that's a really cool feature, right? Also, we can find this different sound settings and the vibrations. We can customize the down button. So when you click on this button, you can access quickly for some of these apps or workouts. You can actually link here a lot of different things. And it will be all about this watch. Now let's move into the application. So first of all, we can for sure change the watch faces, the different watch faces, but we can even create our custom watch faces by going for mine. And you can set the photo as a watch face, for example. But you can also get the animated watch faces. For example, this one is animated. When you apply it on your phone and keep moving with the crowd control, you will get cool looking animation. Next, when you go for the health monitoring, you can enable the low and the heart rate alerts. The same for the automatic oxygen level. You can actually get the low SpO2 alert. And now I would like to show you this function that we can actually download apps on this device. So currently there's only few apps available, like for example this game, the camera shutter remote, the Google Maps, the Spotify controller. So probably in the future they are going to add more apps. Also we can enable the notifications, that's really obvious. What we can find also, yeah, there's also the quick replies. So if you receive any messages, you can quickly reply to them. But what is really interesting that we can check our this fitness data, the health data, but this device is actually able to register snoring, and you can access the snoring by clicking here, going into the sleeping sounds, and here we can find the snoring and the sleep talk. So yeah, that's pretty it. That's all for this video. For me, this is the best functions of the HUAWEI Watch Fit 3. And right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.